Wish you would run away. Wish you know what you would say. What it takes to.
Okay, good morning, everyone. Again, thanks a lot for being here. Thanks to our hobbies, the staff that is attending right now, and of course, our special guest and the companies that participated in all the process. Thanks for your attendance and thanks for being part of this. So, as you know, today we are like gathered here to do the demo day for our cohort 21 to check all the efforts and the hard work that our teams have been like doing in the latest like 30 days. So welcome again and thanks a lot. So first of all, we are going to check a little bit of the agenda that we will have today. Of course, we will have like this first part. It's important to give like a presentation, of course, of our special guests. They are going to be, of course, listening, but also giving feedback to all like to the groups, and they will ask questions too about the projects. That's really important for them to have like not only feedback, but to have the chance to talk more about what they did in this latest month. Also, the Capstone Allies presentation will be really important. Then we will have the project slots. We will present in this case, the two teams that are going to present us like their work for their Capstone project. We will have some work from Hernando Barreto, our director, and of course, what we were expecting, the pitch presentation, okay? And the special, like, yes, feedback, and also the companies, because I know they're here. So it's really important also to know what you have to say regarding like all the work they did with you all these weeks. So we are also going to share a form to both special guests and the companies that participated, and the staff could like use it too if they want. In this form, it's like a pitch rubric. So there you will have like the chance to give like a score on the teams regarding like their communication, if the project was clear or not. And that will be really important for us, for you to sign it up, because it's really, really good to give them afterwards all these feedback to the teams. Okay, so we are going to like send you this link in a few minutes here in the chat. So the special guests and the companies are able to open it. Okay. Good. So I know some of them are just like entering here the video call, but I would like to start presenting our special guest. So we have Jose Laureano. He has been in the latest like Capstone and demo days like presentations, and he was like he's a hiring partner actually. He's software engineer executive and CTO and founder of Laboratory. Okay, so this is a company that is focused on getting really good talent for on-demand technology augmentation services. So we are really pleased to have him here again in this version of the Capstone like projects demo day. Second, we also have Imanuela Solo. This is the second time that he's here, like also giving us his feedback. He's a former hobby from Cohort 16, so it's always like it's really proud for us to know that our hobbies are here and they're like gathering experience to be able to give them that to the ones that are just like finishing their process. He is currently a senior software engineer consultant, expert in chatbot development and inbound marketing solutions. So thanks a lot, Emmanuel, for being here and for taking the time to always see the projects of new hobbies and give them like a really good feedback about it. And we have our third special guest will be Santiago Vélez. He's CEO at Smart Talent IT. This is a company of engineers, recruiting engineers here in Colombia. So it's really, really good to have him here. He's, of course, expert in employability. He's an entrepreneur and software developer. So it will be really good that someone else from the market that it's really involved with these type of processes is here giving us feedback. So thanks a lot to our special guest for being here. And we hope you can give us like feedback and questions regarding all the projects. Okay. And well, now regarding our Capstone allies, we have here from Lighterate, we have Andres Valencia and Johan Sebastian Blandon. So Andres Valencia, he's a mechanical engineer and CTO at this company at Lighterate with like over 20 years of experience in the tech industry. And he has built like impactful business in his homeland, and he is like currently leading teams and developing technologies. So thanks a lot to him for giving our group of Capstone this opportunity to be part of one of the challenges they had. And special thanks also to Johan. He is also a former hobby from Cohort 17, and he's currently working at Lighterate as a game developer. And he's the reason why we are also having the chance to do this project with the company. Okay, he has supported the team and has been like the software developer in charge to guide our hobbies in this process. So thank you a lot for all your time and for being always a help. So this will be regarding the Lighterate company. And we have Maria Carolina Giraldo. She's the manager of corporate alliances in Enter.co. That's one of our allies, of course. And she was the one with the idea and the technical challenge for our second group. That will be the Enter.co group. So thanks a lot for being here and for giving the guys like the chance to do this project. Okay, she has more than 20 years of commercial experience. So really, really good to have you here. Bye. Okay, that will be like regarding the special guest and our like companies that participated in this. And now regarding the project slots, as all of you know, today we're going to present two teams. Okay, so the first team will be Enter.co. This is a project like focused on mobile devices, like a mobile devices comparison webpage. So it will be really good to have them. Remember, we are going to have pitch 5 minutes pitch. And after that, after the pitch is like already done, of course, we expect the special guest and allies ask questions if you have them and provide feedback for this team, for their pitch, and for what you can see about their project, the solution, and the demo they are going to show us. Okay, that will be the first team. And the second one will be the Lighterate project. This will be a good marketplace for different professional sectors, a really interesting project too. So will be the same dynamic. They will present a pitch in 5 minutes. And after that, special guests and allies have the chance, of course, to ask questions and provide us with a feedback, right? So thanks a lot. I'm going to leave you with Natalia Paredes, the program manager. Sorry, I think I didn't present myself. All of you know me, but it's important to say that I am Paulina Cadavid, and I am the coordinator of career development and partnerships currently in Cohorte. Okay, so thanks a lot for your attention. And let's move on with Natalia.
Thank you, Paulina. Good morning, everyone. As Paulina says, I'm Natalia Paredes, Program Manager of Holberton, and I'm very glad to present the groups of Cohort 21. We've been together for 9 months in this journey. So every day we were working together, we were sharing a lot of different situations, and for me, this is something big for me as well. to see these guys here today presenting their Capstone project. Thank you everyone for the support. The companies, thank you for giving them the opportunity to show how good, how excellent are our hobbies. Moving on with the presentation, we have our executive director of Cohort, Hernando Barreto, and he will say some words for everyone. Hernando, good morning.
Sorry, I think Hernando is having like some connection issues. Yes. So Natalie is going to help us with that too. Thank you a lot, Natalie, for being here. And she's our regional manager.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Natalie Lopez. Congratulations on getting to this point. We are sure that this is the beginning of a great journey for you. These projects have shown you capabilities, and what comes from now on are success and achievements for you. Thank you, and congratulations for this project.
Thank you, Natalie. Thank you. So, okay, I think we are ready to start this journey. Remember, everyone, the groups, the two teams, you have 5 minutes, okay, to do your pitch, and then we move on with the questions from our special guests. And we're going to start with Ente, group number 1, who is Ishai Junco, Harold Suarez, and Julian Garcia. As soon as they finish their pitch, we have an open space to make questions. Remember that you can raise your hand. Here in Zoom, we have the option so that everything is organized, please, and we will be giving the word to everyone who has any comment, feedback, question. Everything is welcome. So, what is Ishai, Harold, and Julian? They are here. Whenever you're ready, guys, you can share your screen. Paulina, just share in the chat the form, the Google form for our special guest. If you want to follow the presentation with this form and help us filling out the information.
Well, good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. Just give me 5 seconds. I have a problem with the connection, please.
That's okay, Shai.
Well, just let me know if you are seeing my screen, please.
Yes, we are.
Oh, perfect. Again, welcome to this space. I'm happy to be here. Good morning, everyone. And just to start this, I want to start with this question. Do you want to have unforgettable experience when looking for a new cell phone? Well, in this moment, I invite you to enter any time and enjoy the application for the following QR you see in the presentation that you will see during that what we do in this project. Well, the cell phones are a devices that are present every time, every moment of the modern human activity, and always want a new one, update, fast and economical budget. And this is our project called Enter.com Mobile. But why? Why we do this project? Well, our client Enter.com stated that had numerous search for his articles related to cell phone technologies issues. there is an increase in the search for information related to the cell phone market. And identified opportunity. Growing interest is identified in exploring the mobile device market and improving the user experience. Remember, if you want to interact with our app, I invite you to send in this QR. Well, let's continue. And for what? Well, we just do this because we develop a service that allows any user to interact with a comparison service, filters, and subsequently purchase a cell phone from our virtual store. With a user experience that is intuitive, without visual contamination, and with the specific information to make the best decision. And how we get this? Well, we have a strategy. First, we develop mockups that allows a user-friendly and intuitive user interface understandable for any user. And second, we use a technology that allows us to capture information needed for each cell phone reference. And the most important, the effective communication between stakeholders. We organize meetings and daily tasks focused on a self-communication between stakeholders to understand the need to be resolved and over time mitigate the challenge that arise during the development. I want to show you a demo for our PP.
Sorry, Shai, does it has audio? Because
I apologize. Let me fix this.
Yes, make sure you're also sharing the computer audio.
Please confirm if you list.
You have select for a comparison. The
Yes.
page can
Yes. I apologize for that. I repeat the video, please. Let's stop.
We have developed a platform for you to choose your next phone easily and accurately. We are on the enter.co page in the smartphone sections. And here you will find the enter.co mobile. In the header bar, you can find the logo of the brand, the search bar, and the button with the phones you have selected for a comparison. The page can filter in the search bar with different buttons such as camera, screen, memory, and battery. And also can filter by brand and by price. Once you have your choice, go to the comparison view and scan the details. If you find one you like, click in some buttons and go to the store.
Well, as you see, our final product will allow enter.com users to have the experience of exploring a verifier of cell phones of interest, compare them, share thoughts of filters, including a budget filter, and they wish and made a decision, go to the option for the online store to buy it. Well, finally, I want to share with you the challenges we have handling of new technologies. This is very important. This is last 4 weeks, and the time organization was very important to us in this rank of time. And finally, understand the needed to be solved in this case with our client enter.com. This is a technology we use. We know in this moment. I imagine again, if you don't enter to our IPP web mobile to hearing this QR. Thank you for your attention, for your time. This is very important to us. Thank you very much. And finally, I want to introduce our team project. We have Harold Suarez, in development manager, Julian Garcia, the front-end manager, and your speaker, Ishai Junco, in the back-end manager. Thank you very much.
Thank you, team. Thank you, Ishai, Harold, and Julian. Now we move on with the questions from our guests.
Hello, I am Santiago Vélez. How everybody?
Great, Santiago. Go ahead.
Okay, what do you think is the biggest differential in the market that you have with the product that you show us?
Well, the purpose of this of the project is to be intuitive to the any user to use it, and very clear in the information without visual contamination. That's the goal in this project, and enjoy the experience to interact with this APP web.
Santiago, does that answer your question?
Yeah, but I want to know what if you know another company that do the same thing. Which ones of these companies will be your competition?
Well, I know so. I know I don't have a lot of information because in the marketplace, but there are too many companies that offer this service, but don't have this interface. The interface is the difference in the experience in the customer experience. I think is very important. Like I say, the device mobile is very important in the life, in the day after day to the human activity, and it is important that the experience and interact with this interface and to get make a best decision to buy a cell phone mobile.
Perfect. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Any other question, feedback, comment? Go ahead, Emmanuel.
Hello, how are you? Sorry, because I am from the cell phone because my computer goes down. So that's why I'm gonna say this. In this case, Ishai, you need to have plan A, B, C, D, E, F, J, and every kind of plans to don't stop your presentation. For example, you had problems with your video. You had problems maybe in your connection, but you need to fix all these things because you are selling a product to us and you want to us to buy your product. Do you understand? We need to know all the information about your product. You never ask, or you never ask for apologize. Never say apologize me, because if you apologize, you will say that you have difficulties or you have issues in your presentation. We don't know, or we don't need to know that you have issues. Okay, you need to be so sure. You need to be so clear about your presentation, about your product. Okay, a part of it in the last question that the partner said, you said that you didn't make a study of your competition. My friend, you need to know what is or who is your enemy. You need to know what are they doing to improve that and make it better and make an outstanding presentation. You need to be so clear about it. Okay, and a part of it, you tell us to work with a QR to work with your MVP. The best way to work with the MVP is to show that MVP working. If you are talking about your presentation and the MVP is working by yourself, we make this thing like that, we make this thing like, okay, you understand me? We will see that it's a cool project. We will see that it's a real project. And we will see that MVP is now ready to go to the client in this case. And maybe we can interact with them via QR. Okay, that is a little things to know to be a cool presentation. For example, your English is amazing, my friend. Your presentation, like a presentation, is amazing, so dynamic. I like so much. But improve these little things that I said to you, because you will make an outstanding presentation. Okay, that's the way I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, thank you for your feedback. That's really important for everyone. It's not just the feedback for this group, it's the feedback for all of us. And we need to pay attention to those details so we can make an outstanding, that's a great word, outstanding presentation. Thank you. We really appreciate it. I don't know if there's someone else who have questions or comments, or if we can move on with the next group. Okay, I think we are okay. Shai, thank you so much.
I would like to ask something.
Hi, okay, Jesus.
How do you ensure that the information there is accurate? I mean, how do I know that if I look for a phone or I want to find something, the information that I'm gonna find there, it's what it really are in the, I don't know, in the market, or how did you ensure that information?
Okay, we have to do a scrapping process. This is a real information from a web page. We did a scrapper to get that information, real information, to do this project.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you, Fran.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Ishai. And thank you, Enter Group, for being here. Congratulations. You already finished your Capstone project. I know that later on, maybe you're going to talk to Carolina. I'm going to show her everything. And okay, I think we can move on with our second group. Our speaker is...
I want to say something. I want to thanks everything for the attention, for the process in general in Holberton, and especially the team for the work. To me, was a great experience in my life, in my final processes. Great because we are working hard during the last month, and yeah, thank you for everyone for your attention.
Thank you, Julian. Thank you. Okay, so I guess now, Juan Sebastian, are you ready?
Natalia, sorry.
Go ahead, Andres.
I just want to say that I am not agreed with the opinion from the another guy that say that we never say apologize, because I am so sure that we must say apologize what we make failures, and we must be comfortable with the failure because it's common in the development or in our lives like developers. But I am agreed with the final part of the comments about to know the product. Ishai and the team must to know the product, the advantage over the competitors. But not with the first part, with the first parts about the not say apologize. It's just that. Thank you.
Thank you, Andres. We appreciate that. Thank you. So, Juan Sebastian Barcárcel, are you ready as a speaker?
Yep. Hello. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, we do.
Okay, just let me share my screen. Let me know if you are seeing my screen.
Yes, we are.
Okay. So, well, let's start. Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to present you our Capstone project that we create for Lidarity. Have you noticed that technology is advancing rapidly and that often innovations aren't so visible? We connect with a highly innovative company that through virtual reality create a specialized bot. Let me show you a little of the things that they do.
I'm Lyra, associated with AI Top Staff, where we are dedicated to enhancing productivity and technology innovation to better the quality of life. We're being trained to help companies become more productive. Now, tell me about yourself.
Hello, I am Ricardo Valdez, electrical engineer. Can you help me in the sales area of my company?
Hello, Ricardo. It's a pleasure to meet you. As an electrical engineer, I believe there are many ways in which an AI top staff like me can assist you.
Welcome to the next stage of the human evolution. Whether you require assistance with legal consultation, accounting matters, or even culinary lessons, AI top staff are here to help. Let me speak about or show you what was the problem that that we have. The lack of exposure prevents many from fully utilizing these valuable tools for learning and offering a wide range of services, including accounting assistance, legal assistance, teaching, sales, or even culinary lessons. By implementing these bots, individuals can improve their professionals and daily life, utilizing their knowledge and expertise. Let's talk about the solution that we work on it. So to expand the reach and visibility of this new development, it was crucial to provide a marketplace that will facilitate the interaction with user, thereby increasing sales in literary business unit. Let's go ahead and watch the demo video of the marketplace.
Let's start from the homepage. On this page, you can see all the AI top staff bots available in the marketplace. You can search for a specific AI top staff bot by its name. Now let's take a look at the product screen. On this screen, you can interact with the AI top staff bots. You can view the price per day, read a detailed description, view reviews, create a review, see the bot rating, and select the numbers of days you would like to push the bot for. After exploring the product screen, now let's proceed to create an account in the marketplace. It's a simple process where you will need to provide your full name, email address, create and confirm a password. Also, once you found the perfect AI top staff bot on the home screen, it's time to add it to your cart by selecting the Add to Cart option. You can reserve the bot for purchase while you continue browsing or proceed to checkout. Before finalizing your purchase, you may have a specific instruction or observation you will like to include. Next, it's time to choose your preferred payment method. Later, you can review your order summary to ensure all details are accurate before proceeding with the payment. Once you confirm your order details, you will be directed to the payment screen. Here, you will complete your transaction using your chosen payment method. Now, let's take a look at the user administrator. You have the capability to create, delete, update the AI top staff bots, and perform various administrative tasks using the Django admin console. And finally, if none of the current bots meet your needs, you can select Create your AI top staff option. You will then be directed to a form where you can specify the fields in which you want your bot to specialize.
So this was the demo of our marketplace and Liderate and AI top staff marketplace. But in the process, we have some challenges. Let's take a look at the challenges that we have. Initially, one of the challenges was to develop the project architecture, also decide which technology implement and learn them in a short period of time, also interpreting and adapting the client's requirement. Let's see the technologies that we use to build the marketplace. For our backend, we use Python and Django. For the database, we use Postgres. For the server, we use AWS, and we use Unicorn and Nginx. For our frontend, we use React, Redux, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Finally, let me show you our team. Our team is Ricardo Valdez Vidal. He's the DevOps and the backend engineer. Gilberto Lozano Gutierrez is the data front-end engineer, and myself, Juan Sebastián Barcarcel Chaux, I'm the full stack and the project manager. If you want to go and check out the marketplace, you can scan this QR. It's actually the company, Liderate, is using it with not all the payment screen or the order screen, but is working. We have all the functionality, but right now there are some things that the company needs to land, like how you're gonna sell the bot or for days or for interactions. But actually, right now it's working. And thank you for your attention. If you have any question, just let us know.
Thank you, team. Thank you for this presentation. Anyone? Comments? Now let's move on to our questions, comments. I see that. Hi, Johan. Oh.
I'm very, very proud for my vice, my team of Juan, Ricardo, Gilbert for this last month working with us. Congrats for presentation. That's clear. The problem, the challenges. I don't know. Only congrats for you and working process, the learn different things of your soft skills and hard skills in developers. And now, thank you.
Thank you, Johan. Thank you, Johan. Also, we really appreciate that you were like this person who talked to Andres Valencia and gave the opportunity to the hobbies, gave us the opportunity to show how they can work as a team, how they can work on a project in such a short time. We can say 30 days, and what a great product they can develop. So thank you also for being that hobby, because Johan is a hobby from Cohort 17 who is helping other hobbies. Thank you for that.
Natalia,
Go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to say that Ricardo, Juan, and Gilberto are a great team. It's the kind of the guys that we want in the team, working hard, learning faster, pivotating the solutions and the ideas. Was a great work. And our main challenge was try to create a real product and a product that can be useful for our clients. So the guys was working so hard in this month. So thank you very much. It's a great job that you are doing in Holberton with this kind of guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Andres, for your words. Thank you so much. Emmanuel.
Here I come again. Good morning again. Your project is so cool. You have 30 days to make it, and you make it so well. You make it a good MVP to show to the people. You made a good presentation. I love it. Mostly I love because you are selling the chatbots. This is my project too. I am selling chatbot but myself. Okay, but there's another thing. I will talk about your presentation right now. Your presentation was so cool. Your English is so cool. You speak English. Everyone can understand it. Your moving in the camera is so clear. You speak a lot with your hands. That is so important. The people will set your eyes while you are speaking. That it's so important because they know that you are telling the truth. Okay. So more things. Now I have a problem with your technical use in Django. Okay, you said that I can interact with the application via admin page in Django. The admin page in Django is for the developer, for the owner of the code to change things, or maybe, for example, make users, groups of users, maybe to interact with the product. If you want that the people outside the project interact with the product or with the users or whatever, you need to improve an external page to interact with, like a dashboard or something like this into the app. Because for security, people can get into your admin page and break all the project, or maybe hack the project. Do you understand what I'm saying? I have passed for it. It's a huge problem when outside people get into your code. Okay. So for the next time, for the user experience, it's better to improve an external solution to administrate the page. Okay. Django give you can make it with Django building an external page. There's no problem with it. Okay, that's for the next time to improve the project. Basically, is this my feedback? So cool. I like it so much, and I encourage you to make these little things, the little changes that can be made in a week or something like this, or maybe 3 days to a week, depending your expertise. But it's so cool. I like it so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Emmanuel, for like all the recommendations. Just I understand. We tried. We try now. We wanna do it like the admin console in the app, in the user interface where you see the marketplace. If you log in and you are an administrator, you can see all the information there. That was like the final idea, but because of the time, we tried to focus on the important points. To get like the client requirements. So we just let that user interface for their admin to the end. But because of the time, we couldn't like integrate it. Yes, the user administrator in the marketplace in the home screen. But thank you.
Thank you. Emmanuel, thank you again for your valuable feedback, for your comments. We really appreciate that. Once again, thank you for answering. And we have Santiago Vélez raising his hand. Go ahead, Santiago.
Hello, Juan. Very good presentation. I have some, I want to talk with you some topics. But have you identified the size of the market for the product that you are offering?
The size of the market,
how much people needs this, how much companies needs this today? Because if you have some statistics of something, you could put this in the presentation because that could improve the presentation. In fact, okay.
Yes, I understand you. Well, actually, this is like information of Leaderit, the company. So it's like private information. I don't know how to
Okay.
So it will be a really.
Do you want to initially generate an impact in Colombia, or where do you have thought about the offering the service? Local or internationally? What do you think about it?
Well, actually, sorry, Andres, are you going to speak?
No.
Okay. Well, actually, we built this marketplace. It can be used for national or international places in every country. Actually, we know that Leaderit build these AI top staff bots in different language. So yes, it can be for any country.
Okay, and what channels do you plan to reach your customers? Do you have that in mind? Through, I don't know, social media or LinkedIn? I have your profile in LinkedIn, but what channels do you plan to reach for the customers?
Okay, I think that for the customers, well, you know that a good product or a good impression when you meet to a client and it like your product and you could give a good service, like the voice to voice is the first action. And Leaderit has made this through the years. So now to impulse this marketplace, I think it will be very good to use like leads in Instagram, like, hey, do you need assistance, or do you need to learn something, or do you need an assistant in your company? I think that will be a really good idea. Also in LinkedIn, I think in LinkedIn will be a very good market.
Okay, yeah, you need to have a marketing strategy clearly to reach your clients. But I think that you have very much potential with all of this. Okay, then congratulations. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Santiago.
Thank you, Santiago. Just, I don't know if maybe Andres or Johan wants to, if you have some comments about Santiago's questions, because
about the market for AI top staff or AI professionals is huge market. It's something like $1 trillion market because these kind of professionals can cover different areas in services, in sales, offering consulting sales, in call centers. It's a huge market with different options like assistants, accounting. Right now we have AI top staff like mentors, professors, or teachers in different universities. So really, it's $1 trillion market. So I think the idea with the team and with this kind of product is move as faster as possible to spread in the market, creating great products, allowing the voice to voice like Juan was talking about. I think that is the best way to show these kind of solutions in the market. Was a great job for the team, and this kind of presentation was great too. So thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Andres, for addressing these questions. Since of course the whole biz world focused in the development of the project, and as business plan, you are the one like who knows what comes forward, what's the next step for this project. So thank you for answering those questions, Andres. Well, any more comments? Go ahead, Juanse.
Okay, good morning for everyone. Do you hear me well? Okay. I do want to say, first of all, congratulations to both teams. I know 1 month for accomplishing these kind of things is really challenging. So congratulations for what you did. I want to give a special word for what I call the Tres Mosqueteros. Ricardo, Gilberto, and Juanse are like special participants for me, because not only I saw their process from beginning to the end, but they were really special because they really, from some point on the process, they decided to go all out, and they come to South America almost every day. Even though one of them, Gilberto, lives really far away, he lives in Palmira, and South America is almost Jamundí. It was like an hour trip. So I'm very proud. It was a pleasure and an honor to accompany them in all the process. I wish you the very best. Congratulations. And to Andres and Johan, thank you so much for allowing us to welcome us to Lidarit, to open your doors. It was also a pleasure to work with you, and I hope this close relationship, not only as companies but as friends, continues. So thank you. Congratulations again to all of you, and great demo day.
Juan said thank you, and I agree with all your words. Thank you so much. And for the team in Bogota, also thank you for your great effort. I know that you've been having like a hard time, but this is what you accomplished after 9 months. A great capstone, a great demo day, and we're looking forward to what's next on this step. So to finish, Juan Sebastián and then Emmanuel.
Okay, just a short words. Just I want to say thank you, and all the team want to say thank you to Andres and Johan for the opportunity to make our Capstone project. It was a great opportunity to learn new technologies. It was a really good challenge, and well, that's all. And also thank you to Holbert for the opportunity also, and to teach us to learn how to learn. So,
thank you, Juan. Say Emmanuel.
Hi again. You are a real cracks, my friend. I have passed for it. I have passed 2 capstones, and later I went to the real world. Okay, all my feedbacks are based in the real world. I have been in a lot of meetings, in a lot of capstone project, defending my project or defending my code or defending my whatever. And it's hard. It's hard because you don't know how will be the feedback of your feedbackers in this case, no? Or your interviewers or whatever. The only thing that I want to say to you is to improve your soft skills, to improve your inner personality, to paste it in your presentations. All the presentation need to be personal, need to be clear, need to be dynamic. So you never need to show that you are nervous or that you are unstable or you are whatever. I don't know what to say. You need to know that you are the owner of your presentation, the owner of your project. That is so important to improve your soft skills, to improve your presentation, to improve your movement, to improve your speaking, to improve your eye movements or everything. Because finally, you are selling something to a person who doesn't want to buy anything. You understand me? You need to convince the people that you are in front of them, telling them this is like I love to say this thing. This is an astonishing project. That project will make the difference in the market. Okay, you need to sell it. You need to sell it. You need to live it. And the only way to live it is to make a cool presentation and have as incredible soft skills, because the market outside is so hard, my friend. So I encourage you with Via Holberton that they are making a cool job to improve this, to make it. So basically, you make a cool job. Thank you for that.
Thank you, Manuel.
Thank you, Manuel. And that's very important. This is ready to close the session. It's very important that we have to keep working on our skills. We have to keep learning. We have to keep practicing. This is like their first presentation. There gonna be a lot more. And like I said every day to you in the stand-up, you're gonna get better if you practice. So keep practicing, okay? Keep doing the great job. That's very important. Congratulations to all of our Holbies, Cohort 21. This is the end of the cohort. You're gonna have a break next week, I know, and we will send you the information to our next step. Thank you so much, our special guest, the staff. Thank you for your support. Thank you for giving us the opportunity. And we hope to see you in another session, maybe for Cohort 22. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate it. Happy Capstone Day, Cohort 21. You finished. It's all done. Now go ahead and celebrate. Ishai.
If you let me, I have a few words to say. First, I want to congratulate my team because, like Harold, have a lot of days of nights to don't sleep, and to Julian, to that attitude to do the interfaces, and our software engineer, Juan Avila, it's an amazing person, a dedicated person, the software developer. And thank you for the staff, Natalia Paredes, Rolando Quiroz, Juan Sebastián. Thank you very much for all these nice months, nice journey. Thank you.
You're more than welcome, Ishai. Thank you for being so active in our sessions and for being a great colleague. Thank you for your words. Let's celebrate Cohort 21. Have a wonderful Friday, everyone, and thank you for your time. Bye.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah.
See you, people.
Bye-bye.
Recording stopped.